What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I think the number one thing that the government really cares about within cryptocurrency and investments is regulation. It's understanding that they want to have, sort of control over a lot of things and make sure nothing illegal is going on in a lot of these different markets that we have here. Because even with businesses, you can see money laundering, you can see, people that, are doing a ton of illegal things, right? Drug fronts, whatever. And I think we need to understand how we can get a handle on that. But with the crypto space, it's about being decentralized. It's about being, not necessarily being completely unregulated, but for the most part, unregulated really. So I wanted to talk about this because there's something interesting in the news right now to where Coinbase, sorry, I forgot the name, Coinbase could be changing a lot of things. It could be changing the crypto industry as we know it. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, feel free to do that and follow me over there. Now, I went on Twitter and I was looking at things that were trending, and I saw that Coinbase was actually trending. And Coinbase, looking at this, you're going to see the reason why it is trending, not because of the stock price or anything like that. It's because breaking news. Coinbase has agreed to pay $100 million and invest an additional $50 million to help bolster compliance over the next 2 years as a part of settlement with New York regulators. Now, this is big because this can change a lot of things. When money starts to get invested into certain places, things start to change quite a bit. And I love seeing it. And some people may not like seeing it, right? Because this is the first step to a fully regulated market. I was going to say regularized. What is regularized? Regulated market. And, taking one step means that now you open the door for the next step, right? You have multiple doors or multiple barriers that they need to get across. And they're walking through that door, walking through the next door, walking through the next door. Well, that uh, it's not that black and white, right? It's not to the level to where it's like, hey, you're just opening the doors for complete regulation and the government to control everything. That's not really the case. I think what we're looking at is a way to get a control on anything that could potentially happen that is illegal. So if you go into an article here, let's go into all the different details and we can break this down a little bit further. So here's an article: Coinbase to pay $100 million to resolve New York investigation into customer due diligence lapse. So if we scroll down here, we're going to see, let's go into the article. So popular cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced an agreement Wednesday to pay $50 million to resolve a New York investigation into lapse concerning its anti-money laundering and know your customer practices. The company said it would invest an additional $50 million to improve those programs. So obviously that person on Twitter got it wrong. It should be $100 million total, right? Maybe we'll get into the article and we'll see more. But one of the few crypto exchanges headquartered in the United States and regulated by state financial statutes, Coinbase saw explosive growth during the pandemic as the price of Bitcoin soared to more than $60,000. I saw that. We all saw it. But by the end of 2021, Coinbase had a backlog of more than 100,000 unreviewed transaction monitoring alerts and 14,000 customers requiring enhanced due diligence procedures, according to New York regulators. Coinbase failed to build and maintain a functional compliance program that could keep pace with its growth. So Harris, I don't know how to say her first name. I feel like I'll butcher it. I'm always horrible with those, with any type of name. Superintendent of the New York Department of Financial Services said in a statement that failure exposed the Coinbase platform to potential criminal activity requiring the department to take immediate action, including the installation of an independent monitor, she said. The agency cited two examples of how Coinbase lapses led to real consequences. In one instance, a former Coinbase customer who had been criminally charged with crimes related to child sexual abuse, material conducted suspicious transactions potentially associated with illicit activity on the exchange. Authorities said that activity occurred more than 2 years before Coinbase discovered it. Another customer was able to fraudulently identify as an employee of an unnamed corporation, having separately gained access to corporation's bank account. The customer was able to transfer 150 million of its funds to or into a Coinbase account, convert the funds into crypto, and deposit the proceeds into a customer personal crypto wallet. Eventually, Coinbase discovered the activity, and with the help of law enforcement, recovered the funds. In a statement on its website, Coinbase acknowledged the multi-million dollar settlement and outlined other steps it was taking to address the lapses. We view this resolution as a critical step in our commitment to continuous improvement, our engagement with key regulators, and our push for greater compliance in the crypto space for ourselves and others, it said. So obviously this is big because this is for Coinbase, at least, not for everything in general, but at least it changes it for a big company, a very, very large company, that now you can, get or investigate a lot of this stuff a lot quicker. And you have some form of regulation in a way to where Coinbase is now looking to crack down on money laundering, anything that could be, not the best intentions within the crypto space, within blockchain, or within just crypto trading, crypto in general, hiding money or anything there. So it's a good step, right? It's not the end all be all, and every exchange is obviously doing the same thing, because that's not the case. Coinbase is the only one that's housed in the US and is a publicly traded company. You're not seeing Binance over there, you're not seeing crypto.com, you're not seeing KuCoin or Gate.io or any of those that are doing anything to really crack down on anything that could happen here, because we care about anything illegal going through. We don't want anything illegal going through, but we do care about having complete control of our money. We care about having things that are mainly decentralized, but understanding that we don't want people to just embezzle, and we don't want people to just not do the right things. I don't want to say anything that I'm not supposed to say on YouTube to get everything demonetized and get this video taken down. So I'm struggling with saying what I want to say, because I can't say it. So I could just say it and bleep it out, but that would be a post-editing process. And I really don't want to edit this video, even though I'm probably going to have to, because I butchered names and stuff. But anyways, it's definitely going to change crypto forever, in my opinion. I feel like this will be kind of the standard there, looking at, trying to make sure that we can't have money laundering that's going on, any type of, drug sales in any way. I don't know. I don't know what to put here, but anything illegal in place, we don't want to have flow through the blockchain. That's not what we want. We want it to be legit, and we want it to be um, I guess good, for lack of a better term. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. What do you think about the whole $100 million that's going into this? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. I'll catch you guys in the next video.